I got eyes on Dave or somebody out there. That's Phil. Got eyes on Phil. Contact!
Right side, dark tree. Move up.
Josh, go right. Josh, go right. Go.
I don't have any cover over there.
Dude, I'm gonna cover you. I'm gonna go 3, 2, and you move. You got a spot you're moving to? Get ready to move. Ready? I'm gonna count 3, 2, and you're gonna cover me. Ready? 3, 2. Fuck! Fucker!
You retard, you missed! Threw a smoke grenade and hit a tree. Left side!
Paul, watch your front. 20 yards.
God damn it, the camera.
20, 30 yards. Dave.
Josh, you gotta move up, dude. Both of you have to move up.
Jim, keep pushing. I want to try and push him out of the dirt jumps. Andrew! Jamie, get up here! Move! Smoke! Smoke!
Definitely. Fuck, assholes! What the fuck are you doing?
Jamie and Andrew, get up here! Jim, where's Andrew at? Jamie, get up here, let's go.
Andrew, move up!
I'm gonna fall. Fuck. I'm out. Not fucking ammo.
On, surrender.
Shit.
Ah, fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Fuck, dude.
Let's go, move up, Jamie, move, move, move. Jamie, get up to the dirt mound with me. Get in here, dig in. Fuck, we're pushing him out of the dirt jumps, this is what we want. Paul, next tree, next tree. This one right here, parallel to me. Get there. Where's Andrew?
I thought he was on the left.
Andrew! I don't know where the fuck he is. Jamie, I'm gonna task you with a mission. Find Andrew and get him the fuck up here.
Got it. Fuck me.
I got Phil! Get out here, Phil!
God damn, motherfucker!
Watch it! Stay down! Stay down! Watch that prisoner. Dave's coming out! Get up here, Dave! Hurry up!
No more ammo!
Dave and Josh. Deep. Dave and Josh. Please stay here with the MG. Is it on full auto?
Yeah.
Stay there and rest.
I'll let you guys go first. Whoever's going in the thick shit over there can go first.
Do you want to go up here?
And I'm gonna go take middle. I'll take middle.
So like right here.
No, middle's right up there, and then fucking right that log you got. You and Laughlin were laying behind.
Yeah.
You guys
I'll take middle, and then you guys can go around and go in their trench
All right.
from the back.
Yeah.
And me and Jimmy will take this way.
All right.
And while we occupy them, make good time. Don't fucking take forever.
Okay.
Make good time. Go around, get in their trench, and then get them from behind. That way we can sandwich.
All right. Well, let's go. Let's move it. All right, they're pushing up that way. Oh, fuck! Contact! Shit!
Did they find Josh and who else was down there?
Josh and Andrew. They haven't split up yet.
What?
Yeah, fuck wacky.
I'm not. Why is the game being fought down there?
Fuck, I see them. I'm not gonna waste that though, so.
Watch him, watch him! Yo, get up to that tree. Watch our 6 o'clock. They're down in the riverbed! Watch your 6, guys. Make sure they're not coming.
There they are, down here.
Behind you.
Oh shit, they're heading up there. Where the fuck are they going? I see one.
Behind us, behind us. There's somewhere over here.
Who?
I'm flushing out whoever's behind us. There's someone behind us.
There's too much fucking green. Too much shrubbery.
Trench is clear. Move in here.
Dave, don't already fall back. You're not even getting
Falling back, I'm trying to get him. Oh, I see him.
Ah, fuck, dude!
Where's he fucking shooting you from? Oh, I see him.
Yo, they're fucking. Get Tom, Tom's right there. Get the fuck out of here.
Move in. Move in. I got him pinned down right here. Keep him off our back.
Why are you moving?
The far side of that far side of the bait.
That's fucking surrounded.
Then what we got? Yeah, I see Phil and Jay. Dude, we need to group up. We need to fucking group up right now.
Alright, hold on. Let me just.
Do shit ready. Jamie, Phil, flank! They're coming in! Fuck!
Surrender!
I'm out.
All right.
Whoa, I'm out of ammo. I'm all out. Coming for the throw.
I got Phil over here. He's pinned. He's behind the tree. I'm in the back of their base. Squad B zone. Moving around. Get somebody over here with me. Take the back trail.
Jamie surrendering!
I did. I ran out of ammo.
Andrew, I say we go that way.
Push up left, crawl around the back.
Yeah.
Crawl around that bend right there.
And flank Tom.
We go towards Dave.
Run. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Go.
Josh, do you have another AK clip?
No, I gave my ammo to Dave. I don't know where he is.
You can't sit here.
Josh,
You're gonna flank.
my AK is up there and there's a clip near the MG.
Where? Where?
You know where the MG is?
Was?
Where it was? Clip's right there. Gun's right where you saved me from. Also, I have shotgun shells in my pocket if we get to the shotgun. Think we can push them back and take the retake the
I
trenches?
see Tom. I see Tom. Let's take him. Let's take Tom!
Take the motherfucker down.
Josh, stay left with me. Phil, push right. He can't shoot 3 people.
Like, just out of range. We gotta get up there somehow.
Okay, I'm going right tree. I'm going right tree.
I'm gonna reload. You got it. Dave and Jamie, that side, deeper down.
Okay.
Go.
Let me fill a clip real quick.
Got some water.
That was a recovery right there. That was fucking close.
I'm gonna come back
That
in.
was fucking close. Get my back.
You're good. Contact. Contact. What are they doing out there? I don't fucking know.
I got smoke in their trench!
They're not doing anything. Alright, good luck. They're coming. Ready?
I got eyes on Phil. Phil, 10 yards in this trench right in here. It's right there. He put his head down.
Right beyond that hill?
Right beyond that tree. The hill on the other side of that tree right there. He's right on the other side, Paul.
Jamie, move to the trenches. Go, go, go. 3, 2, go. Well played, kid.
Dave's back there too. Oh. Oh, fuck me. Jesus. Paul, somebody's right here. All you can see is the orange barrel. Moving. Well, hurry up, head down there. Go.
Oh shit, they're there too.
Well, hit him, go. Take these guys, take these guys. So basically we hiked for about an hour through the woods in order to flank Phil's team.
Like, we should go like around, and then the church gyms are more like around here.
Yeah.
But like we can go like around, and then like, you know how we were trying to come around here?
Yeah.
We can try to come around here, cause they're probably like all like this right now. I think we're going like that.
Watch it.
deaths.
Easy, dude.
Shit out of me. Oh shit!
Never. Get out here in the forest. Go that way.
Alright, Phil's down to a shot. He fucking rush him.
Get him! Get him! He's surrounded. Get on the ground! Drop your weapon. Let's go.
Jim! Watch out! Right side! In the woods!
He surrendered! Get. Oh shit! Watch him! Cease fire on Phil! Cease fire on Phil! Yeah, he's out! He's out! He's out!
Fuck out of here, Joe.
You alright? Oh! Oh! You bastard! You bastard! He's a fucking jihad! That was a tough soldier.
You fucking bitch, lift the fuck up.
He got his sleeve rolled up.
Thought he was surrendering.
My fucking hand.
Come out! Come out here! Oh my god, dude, you took one to the nose.
Yeah.
Jesus, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good. It's that. I was just like,
Oh,
I'm just gonna shoot you and see how long I can take it.
yeah, I was gonna say. Glenn, once again, thank you.
No problem. You're the fucking man, dude. You're welcome. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
He's the man. He's the man.
Somebody appreciates my work.
See you guys.
All right.
Someone needs to do it. Someone's got to do it.
Yeah.